You know, fear is one of those things we've all felt, right? That tight chest, the racing heartbeat, that little voice telling you, don't try, you might fail, people will laugh. And I want to share with you the story of a young man named Nico, a story that might feel a little too familiar because it's really the story of all of us. Nico grew up in a quiet village on the edge of a huge forest. From the outside, he looked strong and confident, but inside, he was fighting a silent battle. He was scared to speak up, scared to chase his dreams, scared he wasn't good enough. Every time an opportunity came his way, fear whispered to him, "You can't. What if you fail? What if they laugh?" So he stayed behind, watched other people move forward, and lived each day with regret. One evening, after another day of holding himself back, Nico decided enough is enough. He heard rumors about an old wise man who lived deep inside the forest. People said he knew answers to the biggest questions in life. So Nico packed a small bag, said goodbye to his mother, and stepped into the jungle, hoping to find the secret to defeating fear. But this wasn't an easy walk. The forest got darker, the trees thicker. Every sound made him jump. Every shadow felt dangerous. And yet, he kept going, whispering to himself, "I can't live like this anymore." After hours of walking, Nico reached a clearing. An enormous banyan tree stood in the middle, and beneath it sat the old wise man. His presence was calm, almost glowing in the darkness. Nico bowed and said, "Master, I am tired of fear. It controls me. Please tell me how to defeat it." The wise man opened his eyes, kind, deep, steady, and smiled gently. "Sit, my child. Tonight you will not just hear the truth, you will experience it." The first test came as they reached a narrow wooden bridge shaking over a roaring river. Nico's legs froze. What if it breaks? What if I fall? The wise man said calmly, "That's fear speaking. Step forward, one step at a time." The wood creaked, the water roared, and Nico's heart pounded like a drum. But step by step, even though he was terrified, he crossed. And when he reached the other side, he realized something powerful. The bridge wasn't nearly as dangerous as the story fear had told him. Back at the clearing, the wise man placed a clay pot in front of Nico. Something moved inside. "Reach in," he said. Nico panicked. What if it's a snake? What if it bites? But when he finally reached in with shaking hands, he pulled out a tiny frog. The wise man smiled. "Fear punished you twice, once in your mind and once in reality. But reality was never the danger." The final test was the hardest. A pair of glowing eyes appeared in the dark. "A wolf." Nico froze. "Master, we need to run." But the wise man whispered, "No, running feeds fear. Stand firm." Nico's whole body trembled. But he remembered the bridge, the clay pot, and the lies fear had told him. So he stood tall. He didn't run. He didn't look away. After a moment, the wolf tilted its head and disappeared into the forest. And Nico felt something new in his chest, power. The wise man rested a hand on his shoulder. "Fear is not your enemy. Fear is your teacher. It shows you exactly where courage is waiting. You don't defeat fear by running. You defeat it by walking through it." When morning came, Nico left the jungle. Fear still followed him, but it no longer ruled him. He had learned the secret. Fear is not a wall, it's a door. And behind that door is freedom. So let me ask you something, my friend. What fear is standing in front of you right now? Fear of failure, fear of rejection, fear of the unknown. Whatever it is, take Nico's lesson with you. Fear is not the end, it's the beginning. Step into it, and you will discover the courage that was always inside you. If this story touched your heart, share it with someone who needs strength today, and subscribe to Self-Made You for more stories that help you grow.